Alright, category B's entry number 1, Donna Dana Luke by Catherine Nabuyan of Argao, Malay, Aklan.
The next entry is Golden Age by Hector Espinosa of Santo Niño Sur.
Of course, we have entry number 3, Jaguar RC by Raymond Balityong of Santo Niño Sur, Arevalo.
Entry 4 is Chanel, ginapanag-iyahan ni Liwen Demetilio from Leganes, Iloilo.
HM is our 5th entry, owned by Hector Espinosa of Santo Niño Sur, Arevalo.
The next entry is Lady Alea, ginapanag-iyahan ni Arnie Aguirre from Sambiray, Malay, Aklan.
Next entry is Kokoy by Ariel Gad of Balabag, Boracay Island, Malay, Aklan.
Next entry is Felicidad, na ginapanag-iyahan ni Michael Perucho from Malay, Aklan.
Next entry is Christine, owned by Oscar Espinosa from Santo Niño Sur.
The next entry is Perfect Storm by Mike Sainal from Malay, Aklan.
Next is Cheska, owned by Nida Sihane of Argao, Malay, Aklan.
And next is Mark Scarly, or next entry is Mark Scarly, ginapanag-iyahan ni Orlando Demetilio Sr. from Leganes.
Next entry is Mavin Jane by Manny Kasidsid from Malay, Aklan.
Next entry is Kiss by Kizette Marie Gabales from Tigbawan, Iloilo.
Next entry is Dedeng of Francisco Aguirre Sr. from Malay, Aklan.
And next entry is Sea Angel.
And now, partner, we are now ready to sail the second category, or Category B!
Woohoo! Category B, ready na ba? And of course, we are going to request ay Reyna Ara, nagidya pabalik na gid ang Category A. And Dr. Marlon will also give us the proper signal sa pag-start ya sa Category B.
Okay, category B skippers, are you ready? Ready, set, go!
as we are witnessing the category B, lagi ang category C. Tanan nga individual nga ano sa mga sa short ay natin at kita anay agod makalabay ang category C entry.
Sa liwat, sa mga nagalantaw tira sa may tubig, palihog, isol ka mo kay maagi ang category C. Hindi kita kaumpis